Hello students, today in this session we are going to learn the solution for pair of linear equation in two variables graphically. So graphical method is the topic for today's session. So let us understand how to find the solution for the pair of linear equation in two variables by using the graphical method. So here it is the first question of the exercise 3.1, which says the Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. And 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. That meaning, here the two persons are present, Aftab and his daughter, and the two conditions are given about them, that ages of the two persons before 7 years and after 3 years. That means same persons, two conditions are there. So we assume here the ages of both the persons are in terms of two variables. So let us consider Aftab is x years old, and that means present age, and his daughter is 5 years. Before 7 years ago, it is given the 7 years ago, that means before 7 years. So before 7 years the ages will be Aftab x minus 7 and his daughter is y minus 7. Now according to the condition we have given, 7 years ago the age of the Aftab is equals to the 7 times of his daughter's age, that is the 7 years ago. So we can write x minus 7 is equals to 7 into y minus 7, and we open the bracket, 7 multiply with y minus 7, we get x minus 7 is equals to 7y minus 49, and this minus 7 in the left hand side goes to the right hand side, becomes plus. So we get minus 49 plus 7 is equals to minus 42. So this is the first equation according to the first condition. Now let's talk about the second condition. After 3 years or 3 years from now, so after 3 years we have to find out the value of both the persons, that will be plus 3, more than their present age. That means plus 3 we have to do in both the variables. So after 3 years Aftab is x plus 3 years and his daughter is y plus 3 years. Now condition says I shall be 3 times as old as, that means Aftab is equals to 3 times of his daughter's age. So we get the equation as x plus 3 is equals to 3 into y plus 3. Open the brackets in the right hand side and transpose the like terms. We get the second equation, x minus 3y is equals to 6. Now the two equations are there, both are talking about the same ages of the two persons, Aftab and his daughter, but according to the two different conditions. So by solving these two equations we get the exact present age of the both persons. So let us solve these two equations now graphically. That means we will plot the graph for the equations, and where the graph intersect the each, or we can say the intersection point of the two equation lines is the solution. That means is the present age of both the persons whom we defined as x and y. So let us solve it. As in the 9th class we learned how to find the coordinate points for the two variables by putting one and by getting another variable. So similarly we will do here. Consider the first equation, x minus 3y is equals to 6. So we can rewrite this equation as x is equals to 6 plus 3y. Now by putting the values for y we will get the values of x. So let us consider y is minus 2, and by solving x is equals to 6 plus 3 into minus 2 we get x is 0. Similarly, when we consider y is equals to 0 in this equation, so we get 6 plus 3 into 0 is equals to 6. And again when we put the value of y is 8, So it will become x is equals to 6 plus 3 into 8 is equals to 6 plus 24, or we get x is equals to 30. By putting the values of y, accordingly we get the values of x. So we can form a table for these two corresponding values or two coordinate values, pair of values. So in the tabulation form we can represent like this. Similarly, we get the coordinate points for the second equation also. So let rewrite this equation as x is equals to minus 42 plus 7y. Minus 42 plus 7y. By putting the value of y, we will get the value of x. Same, we put the value of y is 6. So value of x becomes minus 42 plus 7 into 6. That means minus 42 plus 42, and we get x is 0. If we consider y is equals to 7, then we get x is minus 42 plus 7 into 7, or minus 42 plus 49, or we can say it is 7. Now when we put x is 11, so we get y is 11, so we get x is minus 42 plus 7 into 11, that means minus 42 plus 77 is 35. Here again we are putting the values of y and we are getting the value for x. So let us represent these related values of x and y in the table. So we represent the values like this in this table. Now here easily now we can draw the graph for the both equations. Here the important is both the equation lines we will represent on the same graph paper. So let us take the graph paper and draw the two perpendicular line, x o x dash and y o y dash. That means the two axes x and y, they intersect each other at a point that is known as origin, or coordinate of this origin is 0 0. Now on the y axis we have considered 1 unit is equals to 1 value, whereas on the x axis we have considered 1 unit or 1 centimeter is equals to 5 value. Okay, now let us solve the equation on the graph paper. As for the coordinate values for x, y is minus 2. So here this is x, that's it, origin is 0 0, so this is x 0, and y is minus 2. Minus 2 is on the y dash axis, so we can say here it is the coordinate value for 0 and minus 2. So we can write here 0 comma minus 2. Okay, now the second value says x is 6 and y is 0. Now y is 0, that means the same origin point, and let's take the x is 6 where it will be. So after 5 and there is 10, so 5 and 10 1 unit, there are how many points? 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is the 5. After this 5 we have the value 6. Okay, now from this we have the value here, it is x is 6 but value of y is 0. Okay, so this is the value 6 and 0. Now similarly we plot the next coordinate value, x is 30 and y is 8. So x is 30 is here and y is 8 is here. Now from these two lines, from these 2 points we draw the lines from 30 and from 8, we get the intersection point is this. So this is the intersection point of 30 and 8. So this value we can say 30 and x. So here we can write x is equals to 30 and it is y 8 30. Now all these 3 points when we join, they lie on a same line, or they are in a line. So this is the equation line for x minus 3y is equals to 6. Similarly for the second equation, when we plot the coordinate values, again we get the equation line. So let's plot this. Second equation is x minus 7 y is equals to minus 42, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 6. Now here x is 0 and y is 6, y is 6 is this. Okay, so this is the value, x is 0 and y is 6. Now the second value is 7, 7. Here on the x-axis 7 will be, after this 6, this was the 7, and on the y-axis this is the 7, as it is both the x and y are on the positive direction or positive axis. So from this 7 we draw a parallel line, and from this 7 also this is the intersection point. So this is the intersection point of these two coordinates x and y. So here it is 7, 7. So we can write it is 7 and y is also 7. Now the third point is 35 and 11. So this is the 35 and 11 is here. So from these two also, when we find out the intersection point of these two, 7 and 11, on the graph paper clearly it is visible. So no need to draw these dotted lines. Now this is the intersection point. So here this point is known as 35 and 11. Now when we join these 3 points we get a straight line. Now here these two lines, first is x minus 3y is equals to 6 and second one x minus 7y is equals to minus 42 here. Okay, now here observe this, both the equations line are intersecting at each other at a point. This is the intersection point of these two lines. So we can say this is the intersection point, and when we draw the lines perpendicular on x-axis as well as on the y-axis, we get the 2 points or 2 values on x and y-axis that are no, after this 40 it is 41 and this one is 42 and this one is 43 and we can see this is 44, like this. So this is the value is on the x-axis, that is 42, on the y-axis we are getting here 12. So we can say 42 and 12 is the solution for the equation given, and the values x. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So x we assumed for aftab, so we can say aftab is equals to 42 years. And his daughter, that is age we consider as y years. So we can say his daughter is now 12 years. So these are the present age of both the persons. So like this, by the graphical method we can find the solution for the equation in 2 variables. So here it is, goes like this, and it is easy to find out the solution using the graphical method.